What's up everyone and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope that you're all doing very well as always. We're going to update Bitcoin after we plan this nice push to the upside, because what we was looking for in the last update was clear wave 2 here retracement, where I personally feel my long, to be honest with you, because we plan to be long from here. We plan to first take the low here, okay, and was moving down here. We plan to make this last wave down and minimum to minimum take the previous low here to do a swing failure plan of this, and exactly what we did. So that's why I feel my long here. I'm always said I was long in the live stream, in the video, by the way. But anyways, that's why I feel my long here. I'm now 300% and more up, or maybe, by the way, maybe not that much. I mean that. Oh yeah, I'm 300% up now. So that's pretty nice. And yeah, now we're just going to see what next. If we are going to push higher than this, if we are going to break the previous high, or is it just absolutely fine to be in this and is it absolutely normal to be in this? For me, I'm just going to stick to the plan. What the plan here is to be in a wave 5 here, as you can see down there, to be in a wave 5. If we're in a wave 5, we can be in an ending. Okay, so an ending, just to restart everything. You have a wave 1, okay, you have a wave 2, you have a wave 3, 4, 5. This can be an ending or it can be a leading. Okay, there are two names for this. The difference are the difference are the smaller wave and the place where this is on the market. For example, an ending is going to appear in a wave 5 or in a C wave of an ABC zigzag or of an ABC flat. Okay, this can also be, it depends on the smaller wave, as I said, inside wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if this is placed at a wave 1, this is in that case a leading. This can be also in an A wave of a zigzag. Okay, if we are in a leading, we want to get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a correction, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, a correction, and another wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if now this is not a leading, so not in a wave 1 or in a wave A of a zigzag, what we're looking for here is that wave 5 to the downside here. I'm just going to change this stuff here. Perfect. We are looking for that wave 5 here. So if we're in a wave 5, what we want to get an ending. If we're in, we can get an ending. Okay, an ending in that case we only have a triple correction, a correction, another correction, a correction, and another correction here. This is what we can get to the downside. Now what do we have here? We have a 5 waves. So it is a wave 1 here directly, then a wave 2, and boom, then a wave 3 or 5. No, we have to make a triple correction. In a wave 1, 3, and 5, we'll have more chance to get ABC zigzag. ABC zigzag, okay, we have the first A wave, have then the retracement, and then we have the C wave. Okay, A, B retracement, and C wave. In the A wave we have a 5 waves. In the B wave we have a correction. In the C wave we have another 5 waves. Here this triple correction in the wave 1, 3, and 5 have to be an ABC zigzag. What do we have to the downside here? A 5 waves. So that can be an a B retracement, and a 5 waves here. This will be the first wave of this ending to the downside. Okay, this will be the first possibility. So in that case, boom, ABC, first wave to the downside, retracement, wave 2. Okay, then boom, wave 3 to the downside, right here, correction ABC, retracement, another one, all those stuff like this. So an ending is really an ugly draw. Okay, but you understood this is this pan to the downside. Okay, now, so if we're not in this, what we plan also, this is the more likely stuff clearly. We can get at the moment. Just want to find this. Perfect. So we have the wave 1, the wave 2, the wave 3, 4, 5. Impulsive, not an ending, an impulsive here to the downside. We already have 5 waves. These are in that case a smaller wave of a wave 1 to retracement, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you don't know my bigger wave count, for example, you can see a Z wave here. Oops. I just recommend you to go and watch at the previous update, so to speak. You can check at the fake pump here when we was looking for a short on the very top right there. I'm giving you I'm talking a bit about the bigger wave count, you know, with the Z wave here. So if you want to get it, just go and watch this one. You'll get everything to maybe understand for that one, because I mean I'm not going to repeat myself in every single videos, you know, to talk about the bigger wave count, everything. No, now you know everything. If we just drop from here at a wave 2, if we just stay here and we just take the low again before to push hard, it's a wave 4 and we're good. Okay. But here, so if we have the 5 ways to the downside also, this can be simply, if we can say simply, okay, boom, a wave 1, oops, a wave 2 retracement, a wave 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this is exactly what I draw you in the previous update. So surprise, to pump like this, no, this is absolutely normal. This wasn't the plan. This was planned for before. Yeah, on Friday clearly, and even before, because after we planned to get 5 waves, we planned already when it was on the very top to make the wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, because this is a more likely wave count. So I don't have the screenshot at the moment, but I mean, when we was already oh my god, 1, 2, 3 already there, was already looking for, and already before, because we knew that we needed 5 waves to the downside. We have 5 waves here, which is expect to make a big wave 1, a bigger wave 2, a bigger wave 3. Just don't have the screenshot at the moment, but anyway. So here, wave 1, wave 2, okay, we can do at the moment. The thing is, I don't really want to focus today is where can we stop here, because we have planned this wave 1, 2, okay. Now, what is the more likely target of a wave 2? This is between the 50 and the 618, okay, between this green line here and the 618, 66%. We are a bit high here, so this is absolutely fine, and we can absolutely push higher, okay. Of course, now if we start, I'm not saying you have to short here. I have my plan, I know how to trade. I'm already in the short from this top here. I feel a scalp short here. If I have to get stopped out, I don't care. I took profit one time. I set my stop loss on 3. I cannot take any loss. Of course, with the short here, I took more profit on the bottom because that was in the plan, to win a wave 2 here. I feel so long, boom. If we break the price high, we got an invalidation of that wave 2. I don't care, I'm still long from here. So that's why you have also to place some trades at specific points of the market by your plan. For example, here we're planning to be in this double XY. Now, if we have to make the Y later, we're going to take the high again. So I do not place only one short here. No, I secure my trades, I secure my capital. I just try to make more and more money. So this was a good long to take, and I feel the long here to try this push to the upside. So here we go, that was in the plan. I'm playing with the different scenarios. I have my more likely ones, the less likely ones, but even if there are some less likely, you can see I'm still long from here because this is a move. We can absolutely break the wave 1 route. In that case, it's not a wave 2 anymore. That's an A, a B, and a C inside this Y leg. Okay, normally there are also some of those different stuff, but the more likely. So that's why I'm ready for anything in those scenarios, and I'm showing to you this wave 2 here. I'm going to try to short here only if the data are falling behind the market. So to speak, with this order flow here, I'm able to recognize if I have to take a short or not. For example, here I feel a short because data was good to take a short. But if data are not good to take a short higher, of course, I just remain patient, wait for a bit more of confirmation. So to speak, we just do a move into the target I'm looking for. We just backtest the level, backtest the 61866 or the 786, for example, and boom, we get, if the data are falling with this, I just take my trades and I'm just enjoying the money. And if I don't see any opportunity to short here, because I planned some shorts here, that we are seeing the daily updates with VIPs, but if there is no reason to short here, I'm not going to short here. I'm just going to enjoy my long and let it go. Now the plan is to be in a wave 2, so I'm just trying to use this wave 2. This is my main scenario at the moment. So yeah, this was a planned move to the upside, so clearly this is absolutely fine to be that high. Okay, so now what we can do is just to add some more confidence. We print a daily level here, okay, on the very top right there. So this is a big zone. I mean, this is a good zone. We have seen yesterday with VIPs that in the Sunday live stream that if we start to approach this high, we can look for a swing failure pattern. Yes, we have more chance to start between the 50 and 618, 66%, but we have a lot of confidence with these two main target and the highest interval probabilities, not a lot. So that's why I'm not surprised at all to go higher. This is absolutely fine. And the next big resistance start to come around the 786. Okay. So now, if there is no short to take from on the 786 here, we can just look for around there. Okay, clearly we spend some time with swing failure patterns, a high, all stuff like this. Some boring stuff like that, but this will be the main target for today. If we have to push, you know, I mean, I'm already short from here, so this was a planned target we planned. This was also a planned target here. If we just move down from here, we just move down from here. But this, in case we have to push higher, this is possible. To be honest with you, we can look for this target with a daily level. Okay, in addition to that, so I'm still looking for that wave 5 to the downside. A possible invalidation here for today will be the maybe 2-4 hours RSI. As soon as the RSI break and go past the previous top here, the wave 1, 2 is not valid anymore. Okay, in that case, this may be more likely an A, B, C zigzag to the downside, as we see also, as I draw you in the previous update. You know, I did this for VIPs and I show this draw. In that case, this is an A wave, a B retracement, and then a C wave. Okay, and we're going to break the previous high. So anyway, this is the main scenario at the moment, I will say. So that's already for today. It's not going to be a very, very long update. I mean, we plan everything. This is just playing perfectly. So I mean, just enjoy the profit, enjoy the money. And yeah, see you tomorrow, maybe in the next one. Don't forget to smash that like if you enjoy the content. Literally smash that like, man. Make the comment section full of comment to really tell me that you enjoy the content. And by the way, thank you for your comments in the last update. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the subscription. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way, to turn on notifications, to go and join the Discord server, to go on every single platform, clearly, to be aware of absolutely everything. Anyway, have a brilliant day, take care of your good night maybe, and yeah, see you tomorrow or later in the week in the next Bitcoin update. Cheers.